In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Docusign signature. Whether you've decided it's time for a new look or just need to update your signature on this popular digital platform, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can do it with ease and confidence. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Docusign's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll be directed straight to the home page. Now that you're in, focus your attention on the user interface. Look for the option to manage your profile. This is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, and when you click on it, a drop-down menu should appear. Select Manage Profile from this menu to access your account settings. With your account settings open, the next step is to locate and click on Signatures. This feature is typically listed in the main navigation menu on your account page. It's where you'll find all the details related to any signatures you've previously created or used within Docusign. As soon as you click on Signatures, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all your stored signatures. Now, direct your attention to the Actions drop-down menu. This is usually positioned near the top of the signature list. Clicking on Actions is key, as it allows you to interact with your existing signatures. Continuing on this path, once you've accessed the Actions menu, you'll see various options concerning your existing signatures. Look for and choose Edit. This selection unlocks the possibility of modifying your current signature or creating a new one altogether. While editing your signature, take a moment to think about the style that best suits your needs. Docusign offers several ways to personalize your signature, so feel free to experiment with both text and drawing options to find the perfect fit. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, make sure to save your changes. Saving is crucial because it ensures your new signature is stored and ready for future use. Congratulations! You've just changed your Docusign signature. Remember, a well-crafted digital signature not only represents your personal brand, but also adds a professional touch to your digital documents. I hope this guide has been helpful. Changing your signature on platforms like Docusign not only updates your personal presence, but also keeps your digital transactions looking sharp and professional. Thanks for watching, and feel free to join us next time for more useful tutorials.